Hello. So I don't have food yet, but I just want to say, weight loss is such a mind game. In the past, whenever I brought my food, like, before I started eating the way I eat, I had a big old lunch box and it was filled. I mean, I had three or four like containers of food. And so now when I bring what I bring, as I'm packing it the night before or the morning of, I look at it and I'm like, man, that sure doesn't seem like much food. And it's very filling food, but it's such a mind game with myself and with my former self, because it's like, wow, it is enough food and I'm full when I start eating it, or, when I eat it, after I eat it and I'm done, I'm full and I don't need anything else. But my old mind is still there. And so I really struggle with looking at the amounts of food, because in the past I was somebody who ate so much. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. So as you change what you're eating, your mind will still play tricks on you, because I've been doing 1,500-ish calories for about a year now. And even after a year, my mind still says, that's not enough. You're going to be hungry. Why are you taking such a small amount of food to work? That's 8 hours. So yeah, just food for thought. Thought I'd share that with you, that your mind is still going to play tricks on you, even when you're almost at your goal. You still got the mind games going on. Okay, back to the food. Hello, it is lunchtime, and I brought that the Rouse marinara and Alfredo soup that I made up the other day. It's just a serving of Rouse and a half of marinara and a half serving of the Alfredo. And I just put it in a bowl. You can water it down if you want. I didn't. I like thick soup. And then 6 ounces of 80/20 and 6 ounces of 93%. I need seasoning. Today we're going to use adobo. And we're going to use everything bagel seasoning. And that's what I'm having. The time is 10:34. Supper is going to be California blend vegetables and 80/20 ground beef. Okay, now it's cut up, so let's add some garlic and herb. I'm going to use this. It's got garlic and herb, black pepper, and sea salt. And I'm going to use a little bit of everything bagel. Okay, got it. So everything bagel seasoning. This stuff isn't just for the bagels. It's good on anything. So there you go. That is what I'm having for supper tonight. And here's my macros for the day. Have a good night, y'all.